Hey, today I'm going to talk to you about Google Domains and how to share that with your development team and keep everything safe. All right, first of all, hop in here on Google Domains, domains.google.com, get into your account and log in. And you want to share this with your team by not giving them your real login. You want to go over to your site that you need managed by your team, hit manage. That'll open it up there. Go over to registration settings and then permissions right here. And then if you're working with us, you can put in our email address here, evodynamic@gmail.com. And with full permissions, and add that, and we'll be able to set up your domain, get your hosting set up, and get your web world live. So don't give away your usernames and passwords. Find services that include ways to give permissions to other people with their own usernames and passwords. And always use a secure password with lots of letters, numbers, and special characters. Hope you're doing well. Be blessed.